what? Airplane! Look at the airplane, baby! Oh, can't see past the trees.
Oh, I think I got it. Talking about you. You're in the same situation. I love the okay, what princess are you? Are you Rapunzel? Sophia. Oh, Sophia. Well, makes sense. The hair. Yeah, that's why she likes her so much, because she's like not a blonde princess. She like looks like her.
Someone's getting confident. Hi. Hey, honey bun. Hi. How's Cody? Bye, Mom. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Here I come. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, better get up. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Cody. I'm gonna get you, Cody. Upside down, boy. What are you doing, you silly? You silly. What are you doing? You're so goofy. Those little buns. Look at those cute little buns. Put your buns in the air like you don't care. That was graceful.
I think there's like a yoga.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Here it come. Here I come. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Sorry, dude. We're going by ourselves.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Cody. Here I come. Here I come.
You're so nice.
I'm done.
You're done, huh? Well, you really made this some funkadelic tie-dye Play-Doh.